The oil from various plants and herbs isn't just good for your overall health, but can help with your skin and beauty as well. Take a look at some of these essential oils that will help to protect your skin from UV rays, get rid of acne and breakouts, and moisturize your skin naturally. Ylang ylang. When you are making your own skin or beauty products, a lot of recipes will call for ylang ylang. This is an essential oil that is great for reducing the signs of aging. It is often found in face and hand creams and elixirs that are supposed to help to naturally remove fine lines and wrinkles. It is also great if you have acne or oily skin. It should be added to almond oil as a carrier if you are applying the essential oil directly to your skin. Lemongrass. Another essential oil that is really good for your skin is lemongrass oil. All essential oils need to be diluted with a carrier oil if you are going to apply it to your skin, so try it with some jojoba, coconut, or grapeseed oil. Lemongrass is best for skin conditions like acne and large pores, as well as for using as a skin toner. Most store-bought skin toner products are much too harsh for your skin, but this is light and natural, so it helps with the natural skin glow that doesn't cause irritation. Hey, are you enjoying this video? Then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Lavender. If you have skin irritation, bug bites, or burns and scrapes, try using essential oil on your skin. Make sure you don't just use straight essential oil on your skin since it can irritate it. You should either use it with a carrier oil and apply only a small amount, or make your own lavender body spray that is soothing and cooling. There are a lot of recipes for making your own spritzes and sprays that use lavender to help soothe your skin and reduce the itching and soreness of burns, cuts, and scrapes. Geranium. An essential oil not often recommended, but highly underrated, is geranium essential oil. This is good for all skin types, is soothing, and is very moisturizing. It is good for skin that is sensitive or already irritated and won't add to the irritation. If the oil balance in your skin is keeping from a good glow and proper hydration, then geranium essential oil will be great. You can also create a face mist by adding a few drops to a spray bottle with mineral water inside.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.